What's up, guys? Another S90 rebuild video. This time I ventured a little bit and I actually grabbed an unbranded one. As you can see here, there's nothing here. The standard one that people buy have the S90 on top. Grabbed one unbranded just to venture a little bit. I actually like it better, believe it or not. Internals I like a little better. It has a steel throttle plate shaft, not aluminum like the brand name one. But I grabbed this. Did a rebuild on it. I just wanted to show everybody kind of the same quality on the rebuilds. No issues holding boost whatsoever. I'm going to throw some air into it, some pressure, show you guys what kind of boost pressure these guys could hold. Okay, that's about 50 pounds of boost. No problem whatsoever. Not a squeak of air coming out of that. I could probably go higher. A little bit nervous if the coupler is going to hang on there, but again, pretty much about 50 pounds of boost, no issues whatsoever. Rebuild services, send them in, I rebuild them right, you get them back. They hold all the boost you need. All right, thanks again.